virtual open house. I hope that you and your children are experiencing a great start to the school year. I'd like to take the moment, oh look, a new lending library. I'd like to take a moment to invite you inside of our building as best as I can through video. Oh look, Mrs. English. Hi, Mrs. English.
Hi, friends.
And our other office professional, Mrs. Hogan. Hi, Mrs. Hogan.
Hi, friends.
Thank you, ladies, for opening the door for us. So we certainly miss you all and your smiling faces in the building and hope to have you back with us soon, but we don't know when that will be. In a typical year, well, just one second, here is our kindergarten classrooms. Let's take a look inside Miss Buckman's room. See what she is up to. Oh, hard at work on Zoom. Okay, so those are our kindergarten rooms. As I was saying, in a typical school year, we would invite you in for a curriculum night or an open house night to meet your teachers face-to-face and learn about what they're teaching on a day-to-day basis. Pause here. We've got our 4th grade hallway. Since it's not a typical year and we cannot invite you back to the building, I wanted to present a video for you of what's going on here. Let's take a look at the 4th grade classroom. Mrs. Anderson is teaching on Zoom here. Hard at work, engaging her students. You will notice how shiny our floors are and how clean it looks. We're in our 5th grade portion of the building. This is Swanson room. Our custodians have been hard at work keeping it clean and sanitized and ready for operation. Passing our 5th grade hallway. Now we're at the end of the building. You'll notice as we turn the corner from our STEM room and pass by our 3rd grade classrooms, Miss Glosmeyer and Miss Paulus, you'll notice that we have a lot of signs and posters and banners hanging on the wall. This is new to our building this year. Let's peek into Miss Paulus's 3rd grade classroom, see what's going on. Mrs. Paulus is hard at work, engaged with 3rd graders. You'll notice we've tried to create a nice warm environment here where you can see exactly which classrooms are which with their new signs. For those of you that are new to the building, let's take a look at our LMC. This is where our library books are kept, our school library. Say hi to Mrs. Thomas and Mr. Cotter's back there. Hi, guys. Peek down our 1st and 2nd grade hallway, see if our teachers are available to say hello. Oh, there's Mrs. Groom. Hi, Mrs. Groom. She's hard at work also, preparing for her morning lessons. Now, you'll notice that it's very exciting for us to show off the inside of our building. We've also created another opportunity for you to learn more about our building. We've created a virtual school. We will provide you a link via Seesaw on what our virtual school is, and we will provide a screencastify to show you exactly how to navigate that virtual school and enter virtual classrooms. What does that mean? Well, we've created a digital school in which you can enter teachers' classrooms, learn more about them, and there'll be links in those rooms to the curriculum and exactly what they're teaching. Just like if you were here in the building for a curriculum night, teachers would be explaining what they're teaching, so we wanted to provide that for you. Looks like Mr. Rader is hard at work in his office, the gym. And we're passing by Miss Bush's office, our school social worker, and our health office. See if oh look, Mrs. Bush is hard at work on her Zooms as well. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at one more classroom here. It sounds like Mrs. Moe is engaged with her music classes.
So tired. But at the end of it, he finished the house and it was
Oh, yes.
all done.
Hi, Mrs. Moe. Okay, so we are so excited to show you inside, and even though you're not with us, we are with you in spirit and cannot wait for the day, whenever that may be, of seeing you back here populating our hallways. Seeing you smile, seeing you interact, seeing you giggle with your friends and learn in your classrooms. One last note, we're passing by our pre-K classes, and these are our actual kindergarten coat hooks. We'll take one more stop by the main office here. We'll see if Miss Garrity may be available. Oh, hey, Mr. McKinney, how are you?
Hello.
Mr. McKinney, our school custodian. And look who it is, Miss Garrity.
Hi, Goodwin Eagles. Welcome to my office. I hope that you are really enjoying the school year, and I cannot wait to meet you all in person.
So it's been a pleasure showing you around the building. We cannot wait till the day that we see you here. I hope you enjoyed what we have to offer, what we showed you, and I look to see you soon. Be awesome, Eagles.